There's a bell.
Hidden gem. This OI Mall. You gotta book a day just to be here. I saw an African store. Smoked goat. We'll be going back to some of that later. We are doing something I love. It's been described as one of the finest malls in the world.
So we did a Desio in Rostov and they've got one here.
eobooby.pl. And I know I'm gonna, don't hate me for it, tell me the correct way.
In the UK we have an Argos and you order on screen, sort of in a book, and you write it down and then you go and collect it at the counter. This is quite similar, but it looks much nicer.
Take a look, how futuristic.
Free Willy, 10 days. Boggy. So now onto the lower floor.
We're checking out the
Atrium.
pork, fish. Okay. We got something from Halong Asian Express. We've got pork, chicken, a bit of chicken curry, I think fish, and a pork roll. Succulent and juicy. The only problem, not hot enough.
I'm liking that chicken with the batter.
Five spice pork, delicate, tender, enjoyable. I really haven't enjoyed anything else. It's very cold. The sauce is a little bit almost gelatinous. What amazes me is my Marky has powered through. You know, if you watch one of our snacks, his guts has the brains.
This is true.
Look at the plate. We're off to a good start. Gorgeous. Better temperature. Happy people.
So far, the Polish selection has been very good.
And I'm getting such nice flavors, delicate spices in it. I forget how much I love this, you know.
The clock shop. They do lots of lovely teas and coffees.
Being very demure and very mindful. She knows what it is about. Yerba tea. He loves New Yorker. Oh my gosh.
New Yorker, new cap.
He is so happy, and I am too. That cat was dying. He's a new man.
No, I don't often get excited.
Can everyone see my face, please? He doesn't often get excited.
DJI. Didn't know DJI have a store. So they do drones, if you didn't know.
Oh,
So we're going to have a look.
Jeez, look at the size of that thing.
Oh, that is handy.
Stary Bowar, a shopping and art center. This shopping complex was built within the walls of a brewery operating in the 19th century, and it is a combination of shopping center and art gallery. Visitors can shop to their heart's content in over 200 stores. Some of them are the best local brands, amazing restaurants, and cafes. It's estimated 9 million people visit Stary Bowar in a year.
Oh, okay, the normal.
On tram number 17, on the way to Ostrów Tumski in Poznań.
Okay, there's an underpass by the looks of things.
It's taken some work to do that.
Ostrów Tumski means a cathedral island. Ostra in Old Polish is an island, and Tum comes from the German a cathedral, hence Ostrów Tumski. The oldest part of the city, where the rulers of the early Polish state ruled and owned their palaces in the 10th century. That is pure, utter decadence. The Cathedral Island is an island between two branches of the river Łota in the city of Poznań. We're at the base of the cathedral. You have to buy a ticket, it's 12 zloty.
Many of the tombs of the Polish rulers. They can be found within the Poznań Cathedral at Ostrów Tumski.
Poznań was the birthplace of Poland. The ecclesiastical buildings occupy the central part of the island. Ostrów Tumski is part of the city's former, now Miasto, in the Newtown district.
Taking joy over this bridge because I think there's some really nice artwork over there. I hope it's still there. So we'll have a look in a minute.
He's been very demure
And mindful.
and very mindful.
That's the bridge. Wow, look at these locks. Gee.
Is it like families come with chains?
Did a lock in Wrocław near on Ostrów Tumski, and we were going to do one here, but I forgot to bring one with me.
That's what I'm talking about.
So if you continue past the cathedral, there's a lovely little area where there's places to eat and drink, and we're currently at ЩRODKA.
Hotel ЩRODKA.
Boutique hotel. We're going to have a coffee.
Yes. A little bit of an experience while we're here.
And that's where you'll see the amazing artwork on the wall. So it's worth walking past and just checking it out.
Definitely.
Got a piece of nice chocolate cake. Americano. Joy's got an Irish coffee. And it came to...
Absolutely lovely. So definitely don't just go just the cathedrals, keep walking past.
Over the bridge, you see
Yes.
with all the locks.
Oh yeah, you're gonna see in the video. Bye for now. Don't forget, like.
Subscribe.
At the town hall in Poznań, every day at 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock, are two billy goats. And they come out of some doors and they butt heads.
And there's quite a few people here.
I can't even look at you. Can't even get me. Look at me up here.
Yes. The queue at 12 and 3. So we missed the 12 because we went to Ostrów Tumski. But we're here now.
Oh no, they're going in.
Amen.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you again one day. Joy hopes it's very soon. This square here,
Oh my goodness.
there's glass, and if you look through,
Actually, like in somebody's building.
you can walk on the glass.
Well. We just keep finding more and more. What a hidden gem we just found. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, it's good.
Check out this place, it's beneath
the Basilica, and it's a fabulous little restaurant, cafe, where we're having our tea today. Lovely. And a glass of mead.
Possibly the most ancient alcoholic beverage, and it's made with a mixture of honey mixed with water, and it's very sweet.
Many residents residing in Poznan have their own dialect, and it's called Gwara. Gwara. I know I'm probably not pronouncing it correctly. Forgive me.
Every year on November the 11th, there's a huge celebration in Poznań. Everyone gets to enjoy a St. Martin croissant.
Fabulous service.
Fabulous. Really enjoyed that tea.
The service, the ambiance, the surroundings, just absolutely gorgeous. We'll put that up for you to see.
Place that's called Barbados.